Hello, good morning. Let's get into it. So, one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys, I've helped so many women, hundreds of women, when it comes to hair loss, hair replacement, whether it's in the classroom, salons, or whether I'm just treating a client of mine that is going through hair loss, whether it's postpartum hair loss or whatnot. And I wanted to share with you some of these shampoos that I recommend because they are recommended by doctors that you may not or may know about or whatnot. And I just wanted to tell you, I got 5 shampoos that I normally use, whether that client is wearing a system, but they're treating their hair, they're growing their hair under that system or hair extensions or whatnot, or just in general, they may not have lost so much hair, but they're losing their hair. These are the shampoos that that they're told that they have to use to combine with in order to get to their hair growth journey. So let me share those with you. One of the top 2, believe it or not, the top 2 that I use the most is Nioxin. I would say Nioxin. All of the shampoos have most of them have 2% Minoxidil. One of the things, if you are breastfeeding, you want to make sure that you speak to your physician about being able to use those shampoos. So don't run out and buy these. Please speak to a physician because it has Minoxidil. And if you guys scroll back to some of the videos, I did a whole video on what Minoxidil does, okay? So Nioxin is one, okay? And it's part of your hair growth treatment, and you'll start seeing results a lot of the times within 4 months. Number 2 is Caranique. I like Caranique because Nioxin has it too, but Caranique has a full system, especially for women that are going through hair loss. And they have the shampoo that I love is a hair regrowth shampoo. All of these are regrowth shampoo, but this one has 2%. I just like the system that they have together with the conditioner, and then they have the actual treatment that you're spraying in your hair, on your scalp. So I actually really like that system for some reason. It's very feminine to me. I don't know how to explain that. Then we have Equate. You can find that in Walmart. That has 2% as well. And do I have 2? Oh, I thought I had. Oh, I have. Hold on. Yeah, Carafiber. They guarantee that they can start growing your hair back within 3 months. First formula with Minoxidil and keratin. So they have a combination of Minoxidil and keratin that is guaranteed that they can grow your hair back, and they have done the results based on tests out of 8 to 10 women. So that's called Carafiber. And the last one is Women's Rogaine. And this is definitely one you want to go ahead and speak to doctors about if you decide to use this. This is a shampoo as well. It grows your hair back thicker, right? Well, let me talk about that real quick. But this has 5% Minoxidil. Whatever your DNA is, your texture is, that's what it means when it says it's going to grow back fuller, right? So if you have fine hair, you're going to have more fine hair. That is your DNA. Like, that's your texture. Like, this is my texture, right? The only thing I can do to break down this texture is put a relaxer in it or some type of chemical straightener in to break my hair down. So I want people to understand that, because a lot of times I see people, especially women, go out and they buy products because they're looking at their friend's hair who may have curly hair or more defined curls, and they're like, oh, if I use this, I'm going to get these results. No. You're going to get the best results for your DNA, for your texture. That's why that's important to mention, right? So when it says thicker, when it says fuller, your hair is going to be more fuller. But whatever that texture, whatever that DNA is of yours coming from your mom and your dad, that is what you get. All right. Now, if you enjoy these videos, go ahead and hit the like button. I surely appreciate it. If you are a new mommy that is maneuvering through postpartum hair loss, or maybe it may be something underlining, go ahead and hit the follow button. I have some no cost information just for you that'll help answer some of the questions that you have while maneuvering through this. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.